Come on. I'm, I'm, uh, yeah, that was a fail. I'm gonna sneeze, maybe. I'm gonna sneeze. I'm gonna sneeze. I'm gonna sneeze. Dang it. Ah. Ah. Achoo. Maybe. I'm gonna try and induce with a bobby pin now because obviously the chutney is not doing what I was expecting it to do tonight. Phew. Oh. Phew. Phew. Ugh. Huh. Phew. Oh gosh. Powerful sneezes tonight. Holy cow. Phew. Oh. I don't know if talking is gonna help or not, but maybe. Phew. Maybe I haven't done much of a talkie before. I don't know if this really counts as one. But this is my first attempt at one, I guess. In addition to obviously chutney and inducing and trying to say I'm gonna sneeze, but I don't know if this is gonna be a really good one or not. So we'll see how this goes. I really thought my nose was way more tickly than I thought it was tickly earlier today, but not as much now. I'm gonna try and sneeze one more time for you guys. One more time. One more time. Maybe that helped. Come on. Unfortunately, I don't have a ton of allergies that actually make me sneeze. So chutney is kind of my source, and it's always hit or miss with me for chutney. Just depends on the day, I guess. I might have something here, or I might not. Come on. I almost had that one. Is is gonna this is going on a lot longer than I thought. So unfortunately I think I'm gonna have to end here just because I apparently can't get another sneeze out right now. Okay, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this version of my talkie and whatever else this video had in it. A bunch of different stuff, a couple stifles and stuff like that. If you guys have any suggestions or comments, feel free to do that. And also remember to like, favorite, and subscribe. And I look forward to hearing from you. Okay, bye.